What is up there, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace ball joint on my 06 Acura RSX Type S. Now, if you're watching this video, you probably already went to O'Reilly or AutoZone and they give you the wrong type of ball joint for your RSX, and you're probably struggling to find a RSX ball joint. Well guys, this is a perfect video for you then, because the ball joint I'm actually going to be using is a TSX 2005 Acura TSX ball joint, and that actually surprisingly fits on the RSX. So, and I didn't know that until like a few minutes ago. But anyways guys, I got the parts. I'll show you guys here what it looks like. So as you guys can see here, this is the old ball joint. The stud got snapped, so I want to replace them. And here is a new ball joint. This is a TSX ball joint that will fit on the RSX. This is crazy. So as you guys know, if you are struggling to find a ball joint, this is the perfect one because it snugs right on and you can compress it and put it in. The one that O'Reilly or AutoZone that they gave you probably had lots of play in it, and you know it wouldn't fit, and then it was just probably a headache. So this is the box that came in with ball joint 3.5. that's a company called, and yeah, I'll try to leave the link in the description below. But yeah, it is straight out from Japan, and it also comes with a nut. These nuts. And this nut works for the TSX, RL, Acura RL, and what else? RSX obviously, and one more. I forgot what it was. But if you're replacing a ball joint on the Acura TL, it actually comes with a ball joint as well. As you guys can see here, it says Acura TL. So yeah, and it also comes with the little pins and everything. So also what I realized is that this is the extended ball joint. So that is perfect. This is what I exactly wanted, because I was actually originally planning to get the Buddy Club extended ball joint, but they're all sold out. You know, they're all on back orders right now. So they told me that's gonna get here in like end of the July. So I'm like, dude, I can't wait that long. I need to get my car running like now. Alright, so as you guys can see here, I got my old ball joint out and time to put the new one in. So let's do that. I hope I don't mess it up. Alright, so I'm going to use this adapter kit number 8. So slow that on the bottom part of the boot. I'm going to put the press tool over. Nice, it went in. Whew. Can't believe it went in. Let's go. But anyways guys, the ball joint is in, and I'll leave in a description below where you can get the tool from Harbor Freight, and also the most important thing, the ball joint. I'll leave that in a link in the description below if I can find it again. So because this is like super JDM, like straight out from Japan. So I'll try my best to find it. So next step is put the cotter pin on and all that. So yeah, but the press kit is right there, and I used the electric gun to tighten it down using a 22 mil. So yeah. Alright, next step, put the pin in. Alright guys, just like that, using a little help with the needle nose plier, the pin is in, so now it's time to put the knuckle back on. And just like that, ball joint is in with the lower control arm. So that will do for today's video guys. Oh my goodness, I am so happy. It literally took me 2 weeks to find this part. So yeah, I'll try to find that ball joint and try to leave it on the link in the description below. So guys, make sure to go check it out. But other than that guys, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. So other than that, if you guys enjoyed today's video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because there's more mods coming from my baby Jade. So other than that, peace out and stay thirsty, my friends.